Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to edit templates in Clickup web application. So the first thing that you will need to do now is to access to the Clickup web application, and to do so you will need to go to your browser and then just type this URL. So all you need to type is app.clickup.com and you will find yourself in the website. And of course you will need to have an account, so you will just create a new account by signing up with your email and then add your personal information like username, etc. And after that, you will need just to follow these simple steps. So basically, to edit a template, we will need to start one or to create one. So basically, we will need to go to our working space, which is space here in my case. And of course, I'm going to click on this create menu or create icon. And I'm going to add from template so I can create a template. And basically, those are the templates that we can see. And for example, let's go for task management and use templates, and you can give it a name if you want and select the location for this folder. I'm going to just have it here, and I'm going to import everything, and of course I'm going to import it as it is. You can change things if you want, and of course if you find something relevant in a template, so you can't or you don't want to import everything, you can customize the import and just import the things or the items that you want. So I'm going just to import everything as an example here. So I'm going to click on use template, and of course a folder will be created here, and we are going to wait until the folder will be created so we can edit our template. And as you can see, this is our template, and it has its own list, it has its own item, etc. And basically let's go for the action list, and as you can see we have these things. And basically templates are just a regular list that are just public. So basically you can do anything that you do in your regular list. So we can have this card or this listing, I mean this item, and you can have it, you can edit its own title by going like this here and custom. So now we customize the title. You can have its own status. You can make it low or clear the status here. Also, you can change the label. You can do another label here, and of course we can change other thing, like for example the dates. We can change anything that you want. So we go here to the dates. You can change it and click on close, and of course the date will be updated. We can add a column for our listings. We can for example go to the clarity or the labels here, and we can change it. Also we can track the time, we can change literally everything in our listings. So all you need to do is to click on your listing, depends on the template that you are using, and basically they will be like similars, and you are going just to click on the listing. You can edit its tags if it has ones. You can rename it as we did previously. The priority, you can clear it or you give it some priority. You can go to other items, so we go to our listings. You can name also the list, the whole list. You can do other things for it. You can have some automations. So if it has not automations, you can add one. If it has, you can delete them, add anything that you want. You can duplicate, you can rename it, you can do whatever you want with your listings or your items that you have in your templates. So all you need to do is to go to the thing that you want to change, you click on it, and you will have the thing that you will be able to add or to change. And basically you will just click, for example I'm going to just click set to complete, and it has changed here the tags or the relevancy of our item, and it will be for example drafted to other things. As you can see, those are our lists. You can have some view of this list as a board. You can have them as a workload if they were created, but you need to have like the premium version. So basically, this is how you can edit templates in ClickUp. Thank you for watching and see you next time.